Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm currently recording on my iPhone right now because I didn't bring my camera and I don't have a microphone for my camera down here. I'm at college now, so yeah, that's not great, but you know, gets the job done. Just finished up my school for today. Sorry, I'm on the phone, so it's not that great. But yeah, getting in my car to focus. And I'll put my backpack away. And I'm gonna go wash the car. It's pretty dirty. I'll show that in a little minute here. It's supposed to rain the next 2 hours. And after that, I'll take it down and wash it. So I'll show you guys that. So yeah, I'll cut to that now. Before we go to that, let me just show you. I don't know how well it shows up on video, but you can see all the dead bugs everywhere. That's from about 3 hour drive. I don't know how well it shows up, but yeah, that was pretty bad. It's pretty dirty. And the front, I'll show you all the front in a minute here. That's pretty bad too. So here's the front. You can see all those bugs from the drive. It's pretty bad, so we need to clean that pretty badly. The rain has ended. As you can see out there, not raining anymore. And it is time to go wash the car. Ooh. Get a little cold start. It's pretty cold. The car usually takes a while to cool down. Yeah, it's not that cold, but see, it's still quite warm. It's been sitting for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, so. All right, so I've arrived here at Ducky's Car Wash. So, it's time to clean the car. It's pretty dirty, but it won't be in a couple seconds, or a couple minutes actually, but yeah, usually I wash the car by hand in the driveway, so I haven't really used one of these places before, other than I've done it one time with some buddies. So, we'll see how it goes, but yeah. It's gonna look a lot better in a little bit than it does now. Alright, I've started it. Shoot. I don't want to run out of time. So first I gotta spray some pre-soap. I don't know what the point of it is, but I think it just gets it wet before you apply the soap. All the nice soap. Clean this baby up. Now what I use one of these gray towels, and you can just dry off the car with it. It's super nice. Alright, so I finished drying the car off. Almost all the way, pretty much. There's still just a couple bits, and when you drive, naturally water droplets will come out of hiding and they'll run down your car. But yeah, it looks a lot better now. I'll do a quick little walk around to show y'all. But yeah, it looks so much better right now, and I'll do the finishing touches and stuff later. As you can see, the front is a lot cleaner than it was before. Still a couple bugs on there I couldn't get off, but for the most part, they're almost all gone. Some droplets came out of hiding, so I'm gonna have to get those off later, and some of them will just come off from driving. But yeah, so it's time to head back and finish the job, make sure last couple things are clean, and yeah, that's gonna be Nice just having a clean car again. So I'm back in the garage now, just getting the little touches of water that fell down off the spoiler back here. That's where water comes down all the time. I never get all the water off the spoiler. Some on the roof. And I'll get to the windows after I get this, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Just come around here. You still see some water down there. That doesn't really matter, the black down there, because the water doesn't really affect that at all. But I'll get some little bits like that. And yeah, looks pretty good. So see y'all when I have the stuff for the windows, which for you will be right about now. All right, I've gotten the paper and the off-brand Windex, and I need 2 hands to do this, so I'll just show you before and after. So, front windshield. Oh, you can't really see that, can you? Yeah, I'll just clean them because you can't really see that. All right, the windshield is done. You can't really see on video, but it looks 1,000 times better. So now I got the side windows here and the back window and the mirrors too. Can't forget those. All right, now I'm just getting the little droplets of water that came off the windshield wipers when I lift them up. But yeah, one nice thing about having a car with a wing on it is with the Focus and the 944 too, even though it has a small one, you can just set things on it without having to set on the paint, which is super nice because it's not going to damage this material and it's just like a little table. So that's useful. But yeah, I mean, everything. You can see the paint shine there, the beautiful paint this car has. I love the paint on the Focus. This is really one of the things about this car that just really stood out. That's the reason I got this a couple months back. Is just a beautiful paint, and if you see it in the sun, you can't really see in here the fake light, but when you see it in the sun, you can just see how it glistens. Yeah, no way you can see it there, but you can see it back there. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna head inside, and who knows what's next from there. Maybe the video will be over. Who knows? All right, thanks for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and no better way to leave than look at the next sunset over there. Have a good one.